Oppo Reno 8 Pro Plus. The model we are talking about here is the Reno 8 Pro Plus. The Pro Plus variant of Reno 8 series comes with a 6.5-inch AMOLED display that supports Full HD Plus resolution at 1080 into 2400 pixels. The screen comes with a bezel-less design and offers pixel density of 405 ppi. Reno 8 Pro Plus comes powered by octa-core Snapdragon 730G chipset along with a 8GB RAM and 128GB internal storage. Oppo Reno 8 Pro Plus features quad rear camera which includes 60 megapixel primary sensor, a 13 megapixel wide angle sensor, 8 megapixel sensor and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. On the front, the phone has a 16 megapixel selfie camera that also support video calls. Reno 8 Pro Plus comes loaded with a 4500 mAh battery that supports 20 watt fast charging via USB Type-C port. Other features on the phone include on-screen fingerprint sensor, face unlock and Type-C interface. Oppo Reno 8 Pro Plus price in India expected to 43,990